In this lab, you will modify an existing Linux user account by renaming the username and moving the user's home directory.
Yep, so this is commonly tested in Linux-based certification exams. So the goal here is to go to terminal from the favorite bar. Now, once you access your favorite bar, you're going to the terminal prompt and enter the command shown on the screen. So remember, the goal here is to rename Brenda's user account to be Palma. So the goal was that we have people that have been recently married. That was Brenda Cassini. So you needed to update her Linux user account to reflect that she's actually married and she has a new last name, Palma. So you are currently logged in as the root account, so you will need to use the sudo command to get permission to perform the required tasks. So I also want to point out that we have, for example purposes, we have commands that we normally use in this sort of a command. So we have the -1 option, the -m option, the -d option, and also the -c option as displayed on the screen. Okay, let's be clear here. So we need to rename our user who was recently married from Brenda Cassini, okay, to Brenda Palma, B. Palma. So we want her to be renamed to Brenda Palma. So those are the changes that we are implementing, right? Great. Now, once we have done that, we can go and verify that indeed we have renamed our staff to the right name. And how will we do this? We're gonna type cat space /etc/password of passwd as shown on the screen. Then you press enter. In an exam setting, it's good behavior to confirm the user account changes by checking its file. So you're going to locate the entry for Brenda Palma and ensure the username and account details have been updated. How? So you're going to type ls home and press enter. So once you do that, you verify that the home directory now matches the new user. Notice that the home directory is now /home/bpalma, confirming that we have renamed the directory. Yep, so
Before you go, subscribe to NECA Prime Tech for more videos on mastering Linux user account management. Thank you for helping us reach 4,000